Hello everyone, welcome to GMAT Point. If you are thinking about applying for Harvard Business School and curious about why Harvard Business School program is so famous, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the key details of the Harvard Business School program, what the HBS interview is looking for in a candidate, and how you can get ready for it. If we talk about the program overview, it's a 2-year full-time course that focuses on teaching general management and leadership skills. What makes it special is the practical learning approach, including case studies, hands-on projects, and tech simulations, all aimed at getting you ready for real-world business situations. Now, if we talk about the class profile, the Harvard MBA class of 2025 is a diverse and competitive group. There are 938 students coming from various industries like consulting, technology, and healthcare, etc. The class is made up of 45% women and 39% of the students are from 66 different countries. The median GMAT score is 740, showing just how high the program standards are. If we talk about the numbers, the tuition fee for the Harvard MBA program is about $74,910 per year. When you also include the living expenses and other costs, the total for the 2-year program is about $236,804. But don't worry, Harvard provides financial aid to about 50% of the students, which can make it more affordable. If we talk about the employment prospects, graduates of the Harvard MBA program have strong job opportunities with a median base salary of $175,000 and an average signing bonus of $30,000. Many secure jobs at leading consulting firms, financial institutions, and tech companies, which reinforces the program's reputation for excellent career results. Now let's talk about the HBS interview process. The HBS MBA interview is typically conducted by Harvard alumni or AdCom members. It lasts for around 40 to 60 minutes and is divided into 2 main parts. The first part, which takes up most of the time, that is around 40 to 45 minutes. It involves questions from the AdCom members. These questions are usually based on your resume, but also focuses on your personal growth and future plans. The second part, which lasts for around 15 to 20 minutes, is your chance to ask questions. This is where you can learn more about the program and show your genuine interest. Now let's understand what HBS is looking for in a candidate. HBS is on a lookout for candidates who are business-minded, show leadership potential, and have a growth-oriented mindset. They want to see your passion for solving business problems, your ability to lead, and your eagerness to learn and grow. These qualities are key to both the interview and your future success at HBS. Now let's discuss what are the common interview questions asked in HBS interview. Our first question, why an MBA from Harvard Business School? Here you need to explain why you believe an MBA from Harvard is crucial for your career. You need to be specific about how Harvard's program matches your goals. Our second question, why Harvard Business School? Here you need to highlight what sets HBS apart from other business schools, and you can also mention specific aspects of the program that aligns with your professional aspirations. Third question, why do you want to pursue an MBA now? Here you need to describe why this is the right time for you to pursue an MBA. Here you can also consider your current career steps and future goals. Fourth question, what leadership skills have you developed? Here you can provide examples of situations where you can showcase your leadership skills. Here you can also explain how these experiences have shaped your skills. Fifth question, what challenges have you faced in your career? Here you can talk about a significant challenge you have encountered and how you have tackled it. Focus on your problem-solving skills and resilience. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any doubts, please do comment in the comment section below.